Hello and welcome to this course. So, you're interested in this DevOps thing. Why? Do you like to suffer? I'm kidding, it's pretty great most of the time. Few things about me. My name is Predrag. I have more than 10 years of professional experience, but I've been using Linux for around 20 years now. I've started as a system administrator, I followed modern trends, learned some new concepts and tools, and I transitioned to a DevOps engineer position. This course will not cover anything cloud specific. No AWS, Azure, GCP or similar, and no Kubernetes. The target audience for this course are startups, small companies, and individuals who want to run their infrastructure cheaply. And in my opinion, going down the cloud route, especially with Kubernetes, will bring more problems than solutions, even if you can ignore the high cost. After some initial configuration, we'll buy a VPS on Linode and choose Arch Linux for the host operating system. And then we'll attach a storage volume to it. We'll utilize Ansible to configure and secure the server. With the help of CertBot, I'll show you how to get a wildcard TLS certificate for your domain. We'll deploy a modern VPN solution, WireGuard, and we'll use that tunnel for even more secure access. We'll deploy multiple services with Docker and Docker Compose. With the help of Linux containers, we'll deploy and configure our own mail server, iRedMail, and Zulip, a self-hosted Slack alternative. We'll also install and configure MariaDB server, which we'll use to keep track of our backups. We'll use Traffic with Docker and file providers to automatically route requests to appropriate services. We'll configure Traffic to fetch free TLS certificates from Let's Encrypt. We'll configure Pi-hole as our DNS resolver, which will block ads on a DNS level. We'll deploy Nextcloud, which can be used for file sharing, collaboration, syncing contacts and calendars, and much more. We'll use CheckMK for monitoring all those services and the VPS itself. For backing up all those applications, as well as the VPS, we'll use Borg with Borgmatic wrapper. The star of this course will be GitLab with GitLab Runner. After we deploy them, we'll write a simple Python application for which we'll configure a CI/CD pipeline with multiple stages in which we will build a Docker image, push it to a private container registry, and then run the application inside a Docker container, which will send a message to a Zulip stream. Having a DevOps word in its title, this course is not for complete beginners. If you've never even heard of at least half of the stuff I just mentioned, this course will probably be a bit too much for you. You also need to be eager to learn and do your own research. This part is key. I couldn't possibly explain everything in detail. Each of the tools I mentioned could be a course by itself. You have to be able to figure out stuff on your own. I'll do my best to point you in the right direction, but you have to do your part too. DevOps is a fast-moving industry, and if you don't keep learning, you will get left out. It's a constant battle, but it is a fun one. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you in the future videos.